Okay, you will have to excuse my voice because it is just, it's on one today. I'm not getting sick. I don't think I'm getting sick. It doesn't feel like it. Anyways, we're gonna be doing an unboxing video today. I ordered this little girly from somebody on Morph Market. From Chad Youngquist. This girl is a seemingly het pied, but he said when he bred her a couple seasons ago, she did not produce any visual pieds. So, the pied freak that I am, I decided, let me give it a shot. So, oh yeah, okay, I'm getting sick. I don't want to admit it, but I think I am. So, I'm gonna put her with Mr. Sakani. So I know she is a proven breeder. So that's cool. I like this insole. I like this. This is cool. Oh, she gonna be a big girl. She gonna be a very upset girl, probably. I don't know how her demeanor is. Oh, she big. Oh, she big. All right, Mama. Ready to come out, pretty? I want to untie this. I don't want to cut it. Okay. Sorry. Hi, pretty. Oh, you're a big girl. Oh, you're a very big girl. Hi, Mamas. Wanna go into your house? Hi, big girl. Okay. I know. Oh, she's pretty. She's very dark. Oh wow, look at that. She's extremely dark. Oh, look at the size of her head. Man, she's huge. Her big girl. Wow, and she's pretty too. Her skin is really nice. Wow, look at you. Dang. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna be calling her Sakari. That means sugar, because I just looked at her belly in one of the pictures and she just looked like she had like a little, she almost looked like a sugar, you know? How sugars have that clean white belly. So I have Asali, which is honey, and then I have sugar, which is right underneath her. So I'm gonna give her a few days, maybe a week or two to settle in, and then I might stick Sakani in there and see what they can create together. Anyways, that's her. Oh my god, she's so soft. This is like the softest snake I've ever held in my life. Wow. Oops. Oops. Alright, she's a little bit cold. So we'll get her into her tub right now, actually. Okay, this is gonna be her house. I put a rock in the water dish because sometimes they like to flip their water over. Alright, girl. There you go. Wow, look at that color. It's super dark. There you go. There you go, Mama. Give her some time to settle in, and I added some, it's kind of moist in there because I wanted it to be humid when she got in here. I know travel dries them out a lot, so. So there she is. Super iridescent. Wow, she's a very pretty color. All right, there's Sakari. I'm gonna be giving her a name tag like all my other guys here. There's her. There's the Solly, which is honey, and she's gonna be sugar. Okay, that's about it.